What's up, guys? This is Bob with Titan Tiny Homes. We got a brand new unit going up over here, and we got 3 that we're finalizing over here. Let's go. Right now I'm on my way to Lake in the Hills, Illinois to have a meeting with the City Council about tiny house zoning. As much as I'd like to film the inside of this, I don't know if they're gonna let me, but I just wanna, it's part of my day, so I wanted to definitely keep you guys up to date on that kind of stuff. So we'll see how it goes. The worst thing that can happen is I go to the meeting and I give you a recap. So I'm on my way to the meeting. We'll see how it goes. So the meeting today went really well. The city that we met with, Lake in the Hills, very receptive to many different ideas. They're receptive to a tiny house community on wheels, a hybrid community with normal houses and tiny houses on wheels. Both were very, very interesting conversations today. Our next meeting is with the City Council to get their pros and cons to the whole situation, and then we got to start to put together the planned unit development, and from there I don't see any issues so far, so keep you up to date on that. Let's see what's going on in the shop.